Well, we're here at the Encirc glass bottling plant, and what we're actually doing is doing a replacement of, first of all, acoustic panels. Those panels sit directly above the actual furnace and the production line within the factory. And they are, as the word suggests, they are to dissipate noise. That's the first stage. And the second stage is, on top of those, we've got a filtration plant. That sits on the outside of the factory roof. And we're taking all of those units off and replacing them effectively with new units. Now, the crane by height is about 100 metres. So that crane has got to go directly up, and then has got to access the units outside, which are 80 metres in from the side, so that there's an 80-metre span on the crane. And ironically, when we get there, the lift of the 500-ton crane is only 6 tons. So the heaviest lift is just slightly over 6 tons. But our problem is the location of where they are and the amount of travel that the crane has got to take to bring them out. The main filtration units, each one weighs 6¼ tons. The acoustic panels are much less. Each of those units in the acoustic panels weighs about 250 kilos. So the weight in themselves is not tremendous, but the accessibility is the problem. And in the sense of where we are, wind is a major disadvantage. So luckily we've got fine weather to actually take them out.
Now that we have used the crane to remove the roof structures, filtration units and acoustic panels to ground level, the re-cladding process can commence. So the process on re-cladding the roof is carried out where the top skin is removed, a single sheet at a time, pretty much start from one end of the roof and work back, replacing one sheet at a time. Now that the re-cladding has been completed on site, we have taken the crane back in to complete the installation of the acoustic panels and the installation of the filtration system at roof level. Once that's completed, that's us finished on site with Encirc glass.